is Jacqueline from SolFood Collective, and I am here today to announce my 7-day reset. I love the recipes in this reset. These are recipes that I eat often, especially the juices. They're so yummy. It's the perfect time to hit the reset button, get rid of those toxins, really lower that inflammation, improve your gut health so you can start feeling better and living a vibrant life. So I wanted to really quickly let you know what is included in this reset. You're gonna get a calendar that tells you from day one when to eat everything and what to eat. You're going to get all of the recipes. This is a digital download, so you can refer back to this reset at any time. You can start at any time. You can do it multiple times. You can print out the recipes and put them in a binder for easy access, whatever you choose. You do get a guide that has reset tips as well as how to prepare the week before, what to do the week of, and these are clickable links. So there's, for instance, coffee. For a coffee substitution, there's a clickable link to the Dandy Blend. Love the Dandy Blend. It's a lifesaver when you're doing a detox. I also have supplement recommendations here. Again, clickable links to the supplements that I use and like. You do get a vegan protein list. There is vegan protein in this reset, but if you want to add anything on or just for your information, there's a great protein guide here. And you also get a guide as to what to do post-cleanse. That's also very important. So I encourage you after your cleanse to keep going. There's nothing better than waking up every day, having a juice. I know that was my saving grace when I was first diagnosed with my autoimmune disease, ankylosing spondylitis. The very first thing I did was juice. I juiced 3 times a day for 3 solid months. And that was the turning point of my entire life. I've never felt better. So I continue to juice daily, and I encourage you to do the same. Don't just do this reset for 7 days and then go back to eating junk food and being unhealthy. Stay on the path to health and wellness, and flood that body full of nutrients so you can feel good every single day. Thank you for your time. Go to the link in my bio to access the reset, or go to solfoodcollective.com and everything is there for you to join. Thank you. Have an awesome day. Poos poos.